2008 Honda Accord comes with the 4-cylinder 16 valve. It's a 2-liter engine. Very smooth body lines compared to the Toyota Camry. Single exhaust. Third brake light right here. Well, now we take a good look at the exterior. This gorgeous Accord. Let's take a good look at the interior. Power mirrors, they also heated, and power folding. All windows in this car are fully automatic: central lock, window lock, trunk release, storage area, and door lights. Speakers. This car comes equipped with the 8 speakers. Fully manual driver's seat. Sit height, recline, and sliding right here. And of course, lumbar support right there. Extremely comfortable seats. Very supportive, as you can see. I think these seats are the best for the long journeys. Cloth inserts on the door panels. Here's your audio controls, different modes. Seat volume, cruise control, driver information system. This particular has 74,536 kilometers on it, outside temperature, average fuel economy, average speed. Very informative. Well, let's see what kind of noise chip we use.